Yo guys, how are you all? Hopefully you're having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a broadcast list on WhatsApp. So obviously, if you're in the future, just ignore this little bit. But for now, with the virus, obviously things are hard. The best thing to do is keep in touch with people. So obviously you could create a group, but doing it this way is better for a couple of reasons, because I'll show you at the end a bit of a diagram, but it's better doing it this way because only you can get the messages sent back to you, but you can send it out to many other people. I'll do your diagram at the end, but make sure to subscribe because only 45% of people who watch my videos are subscribed. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So go on to WhatsApp, then at the top left corner you'll see broadcast list, go on that, then here create new list, add as many people as you want, so let me just do that. So add as many people as you want in your broadcast list. Then when you do that, you can just send any message out to people, any message at all. If you want to edit things in the group, just click messages at the top. But I'm just going to say, hey, anyone online? So this is how. So just click on that on the message if you want to see all this info. You can change the name of the people in your group. So I don't know what to call it. Should I call it? I don't know. I'll just call it hey. But so yeah, obviously you can do that. So that's mainly it. My iPhone's froze, which is a pain. So obviously you can just send messages. To get back onto the broadcast list, just go onto broadcast and click the list. But yeah, here's a diagram. Okay, so imagine if you have 5 people and you want to contact them all at once, but you don't want them to talk to each other. Well, they won't be able to talk to each other because they'll only be able to talk to you. That's how broadcasts work. So they'll only be able to contact you back. But yeah, hopefully this video was helpful. Catch you all next time. Bye!